Hello, I am Ramesh Babu. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to draw a fish sketch. You can download this image from my site and also check the forums. The link is available in the description. Okay, first I am marking like this because I will draw the fish sketch within this area only. And also compose the length and height of the fish sketch. From this point to this point will be the head, and from this point to this point will be the body part, and this point to that point will be the tail area. From this upside marking point to the downside point will be the width of the fish. I will recommend this method if you are a beginner. Marking and composing like this before you draw will be helpful and time saving. Let's sketch this from the head and draw a light pencil stroke only, and make sure to sketch within the marking points. Add a few details within the stroke like this. Draw a circle and complete the eye like this. Only sketch the outline where it is necessary and leave the remaining area. Now outline with thick pencil stroke like this. Give heavy pressure for dark pencil strokes and light pressure for lighter tones. Make sure the lines are parallel. And for wings and tails also same procedure. For this cycloid scales, I will show you this method. Draw a half circle curve shape like this and keep on adding. This is one method. For the edges, draw one small scale and try to blend with big ones like this. It will create that organic effect. Try to sketch with lighter tones first, like this. Now the fish sketch is finished and ready for shading the light and darks or painting purpose. I will show you how to add depths for this fish if you are a beginner. Only give pencil strokes to those corner areas. It is flat now, so let's give some volume to this fish sketch. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you.